Is it visible to you clearly? Is it visible to you clearly?
No, sir, not
like
clearly.
before, sir.
Blur हो गया?
Yes, sir.
No, I think it is. I think it is clear only.
Sir, now it is clear than earlier.
Huh?
Now it is
Yes, sir,
quite
now it's
clear
clear.
than earlier.
Okay. So once again we will starting of the question here. So the question is given to you, volume of the find show that the largest cone, volume of the question is volume of the largest cone. So what is going to prove that the volume of the largest cone value should be largest, which is inscribed in a sphere of the radius r is equals to 8 by 27 of the volume of the sphere. So volume of the cone comparing to the volume of the sphere. So these two things. So volume of the cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h, where the radius is this one in this, and the height is this one. And volume of the sphere is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So now here, this in this radius is equals to OA, OB, OC. OB is not necessary to us here. OB is not necessary to us. So OA, OB, OC, these are equal to capital R, and OM you consider as a X. Actually, this problem can be done by taking the R itself. ये R consider करके ये height निकाल के under root of capital R square minus small r square and differentiating with respect to R, you can do it. That is one more method is there problem to do it. So, but that is a little bit complicated. It gives the very complicated solution to you. So that's why this is a little bit better to you, this solution, because under root you will get it. So here you are not going to get the root one. So AM is the radius of the sphere, radius of the cone. So radius of the cone AM you can find out in the triangle OAM. OAM triangle you take into consider in this by applying the Pythagoras theorem. AM
Sir, nothing is visible.
Huh? No, I think it is clear only. Anurag, not visible.
Clear, sir.
Clear.
Clear.
Okay. So here, radius is equals to AM is equals to under root of r square minus capital under root of r square minus x square. So height of the cone is equals to this complete height capital R plus x. So this is height, required things to us. These are the required things to us. Okay. So now here, volume of the cone to be taken into consider. Volume of the cone is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So where r
Sir,
is
it is not visible.
not visible.
No, sir, it is blurred. Sir, now again
Sometimes
visible.
it gets blurred. Yes,
Huh?
now it's clear.
Blur हो रहे हैं.
Now it is
Sometimes,
clear. Now clear.
sometimes it gets blurred, but now it's clear.
Sometimes I think so. Only for
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
second. Okay. So here 1 by 3 pi r square h. So here r square is equals to radius and h is height. These two you substitute in terms of capital R and x. You substitute in terms of capital R and x. So 1 by 3 pi r is equals to radius is under root of r square minus x square and height is equals to r plus x. This is a value. So r square is given inside. R square h. So which is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square minus x square into r plus x. So here you multiply this one. 1 by 3 pi r square into r cube. R square into x plus r square x minus x square r minus x cube. Because we need to do this one differentiating with respect to x. So differentiating this with respect to x. The same problem can be done in another way. You consider radius as a r. Ye small r consider karo. And this can be found out as a capital R square minus small r square. So whenever you take radius as a height, you are going to get here under root of capital R square minus small r square. There you have to do differentiating with respect to small r. So when you are having under root, the problem becomes 1 by 2 root apply karna hai derivative whenever you are doing. So it's little bit complicated. So that's why better you do like this with respect to x whenever you are doing. So let us consider this value as a v. So dv by dx find out. Is it visible to you? dv by dx. So 1 by 3 pi. ये तो constant है r. Capital R is constant. So that the differentiation is 0 plus r square minus 2xr minus 3x square. So this is a volume of the cone with a differentiation with respect to x, and along with that differentiate this one with respect to x. Once again, second derivative is also needed to us. Second derivative is also needed. So इसको differentiate करो, d square v by dx square is equals to d square v by dx square. Is it visible to you now here? So what do you get?
Sir, earlier it was visible, now it became blurred.
What?
Earlier it was visible, but now again it became blurred.
So unnecessarily time is wasting. So better I think so. No.
So now again visible.
Huh?
Now again visible. Sir, I think it is due to the internet connectivity. Sometimes it is the connectivity is good and sometimes it is poor.
What?
I think for the network connectivity it is showing blurred. Sometimes for it is due to poor network connectivity it is showing blurred.
Yes, that's all. But when you see the problem, easily you can understand. No?
Yes, sir.
Because in a single
Yes, sir.
you are having the problem, easily you can remember. That's why I am taking the board. Okay, so let us see here d square v by dx square. You continue listening. Afterwards, even I will share the video to you. I think video will be recorded in a clear way. Even you can see the video in a clear way. Okay, so d square v by 1 by 3 pi. So this is 0 plus 0 minus 2r and minus 6x. So what you have to do here, for the maximum volume to be maximized. So for the maximum volume you need to take the maximum value, dv by dx should be is equals to 0. dv by dx is equals to this one to be equals to 0. So whenever this is equals to 0 is nothing but 1 by 3 pi r square minus 2xr minus 3x square is equals to 0 is implies we are going to get the r square minus 2xr minus 3x square is equals to 0. This, by splitting the middle term into the two factors, you can find out the in easiest way. R square minus 3xr minus x square plus xr minus 3x square is equals to. I am splitting this one. Factorization, for the factorization purpose. So we are going to get r, you can take the common, you will get r minus 3x plus x is a common, r minus 3x is equals to 0. R minus 3x, take the common, then r plus 6 is equals to 0. From this, r is equals to 3x, or r is equals to minus 6. This radius will not be in a negative. X is also some length. So it should have r is equals to minus x is not possible. R is equals to minus x is not possible. Therefore, r is equals to 3x. But equals to 3x maximum कब बोलते हैं? When d square v by dx square is less than 0 when r is equals to 3x. So r is equals to 3x. In this place, if you substitute, you need to get the less than 0. So d square v by dx square at r is equals to 3x is equals to. Otherwise, you can write that one in the brackets like this. At r is equals to 3x. At the place of r is equals to 3x. So that in the place of r you write 3x. You are going to get 1 by 3 pi minus 2 into 3x minus 6x, which is less than 0. Less than 0 आ गया. So therefore my second derivative test, at r is equals to 3x, at r is equals to 3x, value of the code is maximum. Value of the code is maximum. Okay. So, but here the question is asking to you to do not the value of the code, simply not the value, and value of the cone is equals to value of the cone. If r is equals to 3x, the value of the cone is equals to 8 by value of the cone is equals to 8 by 27 of the value of the sphere it is given. So that is nothing but here value of the cone whatever it is given to you 1 by 3 8. This is value of the cone. In this place or in this place you have to replace completely. You have to convert this one into in terms of capital R only. In terms of capital R you have to convert. So in terms of capital, either you can convert this one. This is also value of the cone only. This is also value. So I think better you substitute here instead of here. Sorry, instead of here, here you substitute. Okay. So in any one you can substitute. But R is equals to 3x or x is equals to R by 3. X should not be there. X should not be there. So therefore value of the cone, so value of the cone find out karo. See value of the cone is equals to v is equals to 1 by 3 pi capital R square minus x square capital R plus x. In the place of x you have to write R by 3. X place में R by 3 लिखना. So which is equals to 1 by 3 pi R square minus R by 3 whole square and R plus x. इसको simplification I am going to write here in this place. Is it visible to you? Here if I write this simplification. So which is equals to value is equals to 1 by 3 pi R square minus R square by 9. Here R, sorry, here also you have to take the R by 3. So 3R plus R by 3. Okay. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
So which is equals to 1 by 3 pi 9R square minus R square by 9 into 4R by 3, which is equals to 1 by 3 pi 8R square by 9 into 4R by 3. Actually what is given to us to prove? It is given to us to prove 8 by 27. So 8 by 27 is nothing here, 8 is there in 27. You write that 8 by 27 side में 8 and this is 27. Remaining what is left over in the numerator 4 is there, here 3 is there, pi is there, r cube is there. So 1 by 3, 4 by 3 pi r cube is equals to value of the sphere. So which is equals to 8 by 27 of the value of sphere. So same question actually once it is asked to you, something in a different way, most of the students confused. Blindly, most of the students will remember that 8 by 27, 8 by 27 problem. You are not supposed to remember like that. Question में क्या change किया पता है? Prove that the largest value of the largest cone. Sorry, the question is changed a little bit. What is the question being this? It is asked that r is equals to 3x. prove that the if a code is inscribed, largest code is inscribed. Okay, question I am saying to you. If a largest cone is inscribed in a sphere of the radius r, then prove that radius of the r, since here r is equals to 3x also, x is we have assumed. Okay, so don't try to remember the blindly the question. Here something if it is changed also you should be ready to answer it. Only two members. Okay, so like that, let us move to the next question here. Next question is given to you 24th one. Show that the right circular cone of the least curved surface area. Least curved surface. Okay. So that is show that the right circular cone of the least curved surface area and given value has an altitude equals to the root 2 times it is given to you. So this problem also a little bit important here. So what is the question given? Show that the right circular cone of the least curved surface area of the given value. Value is given to you. So in case of the whenever the cone is given to you. So what are the main things here in this problem? Value of the cone is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. And surface area. So surface area is nothing but a curved surface area. It is given pi r l. So that these things you have to know. This is slant height. We call it as a slant height. It is h and this is radius r. Okay, these are the things. So volume of the cone is equals to. ये तो simple. Volume of the cone is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Curved surface area CSA. Curved surface area of the cone is equals to pi r l. Here l is nothing but under root of h square plus r square. Under root of h square plus r square. So here the given thing is that r is a radius you consider and h is a height, l is a slant height. Okay, let r is radius, h is height, and l is slant height. Slant height of the cone. These three things you consider. So volume of the cone formula is, therefore volume is given to us. Given is nothing but it is constant. 1 by 3 pi r square h. So convert the height in terms of radius and volume. Volume is converted. So height को convert करो because whenever you take the slant height pi r, l is there. So with respect to r you need to do the differentiation. L will be expressed in terms of h and r. L is equals to, you can write it as a pi r under root of h square plus r square. So here h is there. H should be expressed in terms of r. H should be expressed in. So here that's why we are converting h. V is constant. Given is given. So h is equals to 3b by pi r square. This you have to substitute in the h. So curved surface area of the cone. So this is S, which is to be, what is given right circular cone? Least, minimize करना, ये इसको minimize करना है. So S is equals to pi r l. So pi r under root of h square plus r square. This is S. S is given. So differentiating S with respect to S or S square कर लो. So because under root whenever it is given. प्रॉब्लम थोड़ा सा इजी करके मैं बोल रहा हूँ. लिटिल बिट आई एम मेकिंग इट एज ए इजी. सो इफ यू आर डिफरेंशिएटिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू s एंड s स्क्वायर करके दैट वन डिफरेंशिएटिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू r डिफरेंशिएटिंग दिस वन एंड इसका स्क्वायर को डिफरेंशिएट कर लिए तो बोथ आर इक्वल हियर, नॉट डिफरेंशिएट. सो आई एम टेकिंग s स्क्वायर टू अवॉइड द कंफ्यूजन. s स्क्वायर ले रहा हूँ. सो s स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू pi स्क्वायर r स्क्वायर h square plus plus r square. अंडर रूट हटाने के लिए अंडर रूट हटा रहा हूं because h should be replaced again this one. So let z is equals to some other variable you take. Okay, z is equals to x square substitute कर लो pi square r square h square is equals to sorry yes h square is equals to h value h is equals to 3b by pi r square ना. So h square value क्या होगा 9b square by pi square and r square plus r square. इसको simplify करो. Now here z you got this one differentiate with respect to r. So ये simplify करने के बाद थोड़ा easy आ जाएगा. When you are simplifying this one, then you are going to get a little bit easy, means in a simplified way. Simplified way में आपको आ जाएगा. Okay? So what do you get? Let us see here. Simplify करो. Z is equals to s square. Z को अभी differentiate करना है. So what do you get here? Pi r square into 9b square by pi square r square. Sorry, pi square r square plus pi square r to the power of 4. So ये pi square r square cancel हो. Sorry. Anything wrong? No, sorry. here r power 4 आ जाएगा. इधर r square is there ना. So r power 4 आ जाएगा. So denominator में square मिलेगा. So we are going to get 9b square by r square plus pi square r power 4. So now you see here this one differentiating with respect to r is easy. Otherwise under root whenever you are taking into consider ये इधर root ले लिया तो इसमें r value h value substitute करो. The problem becomes a little bit lengthy. Even if you are doing like this also the problem is you are going to get correct. So differentiating z with respect to r on both sides. So now what do you get here? dz by dr लेना. थोड़ा easy है if you are doing like this dz by dr. So differentiating this with respect to r. 1 by r square differentiation is minus 1 by r cube minus 9b square by r cube by minus 2 by r cube by. If you get confused you can write like this also. इसको चाहे तो ऊपर लेके जाओ r power minus 2 differentiation of r power minus 2 minus 2 r power minus 3. So this can be written as minus 2 by r cube. So 9b square is there minus 2 by r cube is the differentiation of this one plus this is 4r cube. So 4 pi square r cube. This is dz by dr. So on simplification what do you get here? dz by dr is equals to d square z by dr square also you have to find out, but you find out first this one. dz by dr is equals to minus 18b square by r cube plus 4 pi square r cube. Next one you have to do for a minimum curved surface area we have to make this one equals to 0. For minimum curved surface area dz by dr is equals to 0 you have to take into consider. Okay, dz by dr you have to take into consider. 0 if you take. So this one is equals to 0. A is equals to 0 लेना. So from this by taking this one into the 0, so what you are going to get the values you take into consider here. Okay, so simplify कर दो इसको. So when you are taking this one minus 18 v square by r cube plus 4 pi square r cube is equals to 0. Okay, so from this v square value find out karo, remaining all the terms you find out, you take it to the v value find out karo. Okay, so what you are going to get the v value. Okay, because here volume of the cone is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h is the value. Okay, so that you have to find out. So find out the on which case you are going to get the this. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना, ये 0 होता है. So what is the question given to you? क्वेश्चन क्या दे दिया है? The question is given to you that wait, we have to prove that root 2 times the radius altitude h is equals to root 2 r prove करना है. So we need to prove that h is equals to root 2 r. So from this h we are not going to get directly. From this we are not going to get directly h we will not get. So what to get here? Volume that you have to substitute here. Right? Volume is equals to what is there that you have to substitute here. Volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. That you have to substitute. So substitute the volume 1 by 3 pi r square h. From that h is equals to what you are going to get, that you have to see into consideration. Okay. So now in the same way, before proving that, dz by dr square also you find out. d square z by dr square. The second derivative also. Second derivative of this one also you have to find out. Second derivative, what do we get? That also you need to take into consideration. Second derivative भी find out करना है. इसको this one you have to differentiate with respect to r again. Okay, so and that should be greater than 0. वो greater than 0 होना है. So if you are taking into consider, first let us see here. इसका value in the place of v 1 by 3 pi r square h find out करो. 1 by 3 pi r square h substitute करो. And h is also given by 3v by pi r square. Okay. So whenever you are taking into consider the value, you take into consider here. So what do we get here from this? A is equals to 0 ले लिया तो v square क्या आएगा? 18v square by simplify करता हूँ मैं. तो मैंने 4 pi r square. So 2 9. 9v square is equals to 2 pi square r power 6. 9v square is equals to 2 pi square r. So now here what you are going to get here? Pi square, you substitute 1 by 3 v place में 1 by 3 pi r square substitute करो. 1 by 3 pi r square h is equals to 2 pi square r power 6. Okay? h is equals to क्या आएगा? So now a square. So 9 into 1 by 9 pi square r power 4 h square is equals to 2 pi square r power 6. So 9 will get cancelled. Pi square will get cancelled. R power 4 means here square आ जाएगा. So what do you get? H square is equals to 2r square r. H is equals to root 2r. Height of the cone is equals to root 2 times the radius. That is okay. Height is equals to root 2 times it. Okay. But here at this place, d square z by dr square should be greater than 0. D square z by dr square also should be greater than 0. So whenever you find out d square, this one differentiating with respect to r twice, second time differentiate करो. इसको differentiate करो second. So what do you get here? D square z by dr square is equals to what you get? Differentiate this one with respect to what do you get? Minus 18v square is as it is. 1 by r cube differentiation is minus 3 by r power 4. Minus 3 by r power 4. Okay. So next, minus 3 by r power 4 plus differentiation of this one. Whenever you see that 3r square you will get. So 4 pi r pi square 3r square. इसको simplify करो. Simplify this one. So what do you get here? 54v square by r power 4 plus 12 pi square r square. So here whenever you observe that everything is in a square only. Everything is in the form of the square. So this is greater than 0 for any value. R may be positive or greater than 0. Here it is not necessary to you to substitute it. It is greater than 0. So therefore, a greater than 0 means a dz by dr equal to 0 whenever you are considering. So therefore, at h is equals to root 2r, value is minimum by second derivative. By second derivative. Here h is equals to 2r substitute करने का जरूरत नहीं है. सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लिया नहीं कर लिया तो दिस इज ऑलवेज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द स्क्वायर ना 54 is positive, b square is positive, r power 4 is positive, I square r square is also positive. So that's why you are going to get. So no need of changing anything here. Whatever it may be, this is always greater than 0 you are getting. So that's why at this particular place you are going to have the value is minimum. So therefore as you are getting greater than 0, so therefore height of the cone is equals to root 2 times the radius. Height of the cone is equals to root 2 times the radius. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा सा
Yes, sir.
but these are all the problems here actually this problem can be done in another way also. Actually whenever you see that this problem is mostly here what they will do in this place, I have taken x square I have taken. So instead of taking x square, yes if you are taking as it is, ये h का प्लेस में अंडर रूट होता है, अंडर रूट के अंदर ये 9b स्क्वायर बाई पाई स्क्वायर आर स्क्वायर आएगा, ये अंडर रूट के अंदर आएगा, अंडर रूट के अंदर आएगा. थोड़ा सोच लो, प्रॉब्लम कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होगा. So whenever you are doing like this also the solution is correct. See here इधर r स्क्वायर के अंदर अंडर रूट आया, इधर r है, इधर अंडर रूट के अंदर r होगा. So whenever you are taking like that, in that situation you need to use the UV method, and under the UV method one is having under root. So therefore 1 by under root of 2 root formula use करना है. Then the derivative becomes very, see here इसका derivative कितना easy में आया, ये derivative easy में आ जाता है. So whenever you are having a under root square you can take. So it's not a wrong. You are going to get the correct answer. Okay? समझ में आया?
हाँ sir.
Yes, sir.
25th problem है. 25th and 26th we will learn and we will complete this. पूरा दिख रहा है ना completely? Everything is visible.
Yes, sir.
प्रॉब्लम नंबर क्या है? 25. So the question is given that show that the semi-vertical angle of a cone of the maximum value and a given slant height. Slant height is given to us. Slant height is nothing but L. Slant height is nothing but L. That is given to you. It is constant. Okay, so that is given to you. So slant height is given. So normally volume of the cone to be maximized. So volume of the cone maximize करना है, and slant height is tan inverse of root 2 prove करना है. So first thing is that you take the figure into consideration. So what is meant by semi-vertical angle? This is not a semi-vertical angle. Vertical angle is nothing but completely. This semi-vertical angle you consider as a some angle you consider it one. So this you consider as a some theta consider this one. So here this is a height, this is slant height, and this is a radius. So given L is okay, it is not given slant height L. So let the L is a slant height. First you consider. First you write let L is slant height, H is height, and R is radius of cone. Okay, so these three things you have to. What is given? Given L is, it is given to us. Okay, so that is nothing but the slant height is L is given. So you write like this: slant height L is given. So this implies L is constant. ये constant. This is constant. It is fixed. Now here from the figure, a figure में observe करो. What is you are going to, actually the question is given to you tan inverse of root 2. Tan inverse root 2 देंगे. So tan inverse root 2 is nothing but here we are need to take the what is sin alpha you are going to get from this theta consider करते हैं. Sin theta ले. Sin theta is equals to what you get. Theta or alpha whatever it may be, the angle you have to consider anything. What do you get? R by L. So R is equals to L sin theta. Because R we are expressing in terms of sin. And in the same way H also. Because we need what? We need value. So value में क्या है वो होगा value of the cone to be maximized. So value is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. In that R will be there, H will be there. That both should be expressed in terms of theta means angle. वो angle find out करना है, some angle find out करना है. So that is essential. So here what cos theta is equals to h by l. So h is equals to l cos theta. H is equals to l cos theta. So therefore value of the cone is equals to V is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h. So which is equals to 1 by 3 pi. R is nothing but here L sin theta whole square. H is nothing but L cos theta. तो इसको सिंप्लीफाई करो 1 by 3 pi L cube. L square and L sin square theta cos theta. So now here L is constant. So what to do here in this situation? बोलो क्या करना है? With respect to theta, we have to differentiate. Differentiate this with respect to theta. Theta की because here L is constant, ये fixed है. So theta is that theta we need to find out by considering dv by d theta is equals to 0. So differentiate with respect to theta twice. Once you find out, okay? So dv by d theta is equals to 1 by 3 pi L cube. So UV method. Find out the differentiation in a UV method. So differentiation of this one, sin square theta is equals to 2 sin theta. Differentiation of sin theta. And sin theta का differentiation again cos theta. And ये cos theta will be fixed. We are differentiating sin square theta. Sin square theta differentiation 2 sin theta cos theta. And here cos theta is fixed. Next plus cos theta का differentiation. Cos theta differentiation is minus sin theta. So minus sin square. Okay, you write sin square theta is and this differentiation is minus sin theta. One step is increasing. Doesn't matter. So which is equals to 1 by 3 pi L cube 2 sin theta cos square theta. Sin theta cos square theta minus sin cube theta. This is dv by dt. And इसको differentiate with respect to theta again twice. Second time differentiate करना है. And dv by dt is equals to 0 whenever you are taking what you are going to get. That value you need to substitute in b square v by dc. So first let us find out dv by dt is equals to 0. First we will find out dv by dt is equals to 0. So from that then after what the value we are getting keeping aside d square v by dv square find out. In both the ways, otherwise here onwards only you can take into consider d square d by d theta square. So differentiate this with respect to theta again. So what you will get here 1 by 3 pi L cube, okay, into here again UV method 2 sin theta is you take into single part. So 2 sin theta you take as a single part. Otherwise you can do it in any way. So इसको UV method में करना है, इसको differentiate करना है. Okay. So what you will get here 2 sin theta is sin theta को fix कर लिया, इसको differentiate करना. The differentiation of this one is 2 cos theta and cos theta differentiation minus sin theta plus differentiation of sin theta is 2 cos theta. Differentiation of sin theta is 2 cos theta and cos square theta is as it is. Is it visible to you what I am writing? Is it visible to you? Anurag?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 2 cos theta plus cos square theta and differentiation of sin cube theta minus 3 sin square theta and sin theta differentiation is cos theta. This is a d square value. In this, if it is possible to you to take the common anything, you can take the common. Otherwise, first you simplify it. 1 by 3 pi n cube. So what you get here? Minus 4 sin square theta cos theta plus 2 cos cube theta minus 3 sin square theta cos theta. Okay? So what do you get here? In this, ये दोनों सेम है ना, sin square theta cos theta sin square theta cos theta. हाँ? So you can write this one as a simplified converter. 1 by 3 pi l cube 2 cos cube theta minus 7 sin square theta cos theta. This is d square d by dv square. And here the question is asking to you in terms of tan. In terms of tan में पूछ रहे हैं. So here better you convert into the tan. Otherwise, yes, you can keep it as it is. It's not a problem. Convert into the tan कर सकते हैं. Otherwise, you can keep it as it is also. इसको is equal to 0 लेना. Okay. dv by d theta is equals to 0. And for what value of dv by d theta is equals to 0 you are getting, that value you have to take into consider. So for maximum value dv by d theta is equals to 0. So ये 0 है. So that is nothing but 1 by 3 pi l cube into 2 sin theta cos square theta minus sin cube theta is equals to 0. Next, ये पूरा राइट साइड लेके जाओ, इसमें sin theta कॉमन ले लो, and what you get here 2 cos square theta minus sin square theta is equals to 0. Actually, the question is given to you in terms of tan you need. Okay, in terms of tan. So this is implies you can take into consider that 2 cos square theta minus sin square theta is equals to 0 आ जाएगा. Okay, so now 2 cos square theta is equals to sin square theta. ये cos square theta right side लेके जाओ. 2 is equals to sin square theta by cos square theta. Therefore, tan square theta is equals to 2. Therefore, tan theta is equals to 2. Therefore, theta is equals to tan inverse of 2. Okay, theta equal to tan inverse of root 2. तो semi-vertical angle tan inverse root 2 आ गया. Problem complete नहीं हुआ. At this place we have to prove that d square v by dv square. ये d square v by dv square है ना? This is less than 0 prove करना. So tan theta equal to root 2 है. When the tan theta equal to root 2, find out sin and cos. Sin and cos find out करो. ये theta root 2 opposite by adjacent. So when these two are there, this you are going to get under root of 2 plus 1. So root 3 आ जाएगा. So tan theta equal to root 2 implies sin theta equals to root 2 by root 3 आ जाएगा. And cos theta is equals to, is it visible to you? 1 by root 3 आ जाएगा. समझ में आया? And these values, actually tan tan theta इसमें नहीं है ना हमको, इसमें tan theta है नहीं है, so tan theta we got it, but with the help of the sin and cos you can find out. So at the place of theta equal to tan inverse of root 2, at the place of theta equal to tan inverse of root 2, sin theta will be equal to root 2 by root 3 and cos theta equal to 1 by root 3. So these values substitute in d square v by d square v by d theta square is equals to 1 by 3 pi l cube into 2 cos cube theta, 2 cos cube ले लो, ओके समझ में आया, एंड माइनस 7 into sin square theta, ये स्क्वायर है ना, तो यू आर गोइंग टू गेट हियर 2 by 3 into cos theta 1 by 2. उसको सिंप्लीफाई करना, so the what is the value you are going to get in that situation, whether less than 0 or greater than 0 you observe, okay. If you are taking into consider here, yes, 1 by root 3 whole cube common ले लो, देखो this is root 3 whole square, you can write ना, here root 3 whole square root 3, so root 3 whole cube हो गया, so 1 by 3 pi l cube 1 by root 3 whole cube common ले लो, 2 minus 7 into 2, so 2 1 by root 3 whole cube common ले लिया मैं, so 2 minus 14 is nothing but less than 0. So theta value tan inverse of root 2 हो गया, तो d square v by d theta square is less than 0. Okay, so therefore by second derivative test at theta is equals to tan inverse of root 2, value is maximum. Same question can be asked in another way, you know. Prove that same question, semi-vertical angle of a cone maximum value with a given slant height is equals to cos inverse of 1 by root 3 भी पूछ सकते हैं, tan theta equal to root 2 आ रहा है, then cos theta equal to 1 by root 3. Same question can be asked cos theta is equals to 1 by root 3 also. Instead of tan theta equal to root 2 means it is not a tan inverse of root 2. The question is asked tan inverse of root 2. The same question can be asked to you cos inverse of 1 by root 3 or sin inverse of root 2 by root 3. Semi-vertical angle. The semi-vertical angle here, the question is semi-vertical angle of the cone. The maximum value is given the tan inverse of 1 by root 3. Tan inverse of 1 by root 3. Sorry, 1 by tan inverse of root 2. Question is given tan inverse of root 2. So here same question, instead of tan inverse of root 2, cos inverse of 1 by root 3 also. Same question, nothing changed. Last में instead of this one, or the question can be asked for that. These three are right. Here one more point we have missed. Sin theta is equals to 0 is not possible. We have to write here. Why it is not possible? Sin theta equal to 0 means the angle will be equals to 0 degrees. This is not 0 degrees. In this place, either sin theta will be equal to 0 or this part will be equal to 0. This is we are taking. Sin theta equal to 0 is not possible. Why it is not possible? Because some angle is there. Some angle is there. So it is, you cannot take into consider. Okay? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
26th problem. Will you try yourself? थोड़ा सा वो actually 26th problem में भी आपको square root आ जाएगा. What is the question? Show that the semi-vertical angle of a right circular cone of a given surface area. Surface area is given, and maximum value is sin inverse of 1 by root 3. Sin inverse of 1 by 3. Okay, I'll explain to you. Don't worry. Wait for some. problem explain करता हूँ. With this we are going to conclude the 6th chapter. 26th problem. So what is the question given that? Here given is same semi-vertical angle of the right circular cone of the given surface area. Surface area, not curved surface area. Do remember here. Surface area is given that. Same in the same way. A semi-vertical angle, theta. So this is height, this is radius, this is L. So given surface area S is equals to, what is the surface area of the cone? Here curved surface area is not mentioned, only surface area means surface area is mentioned, that is nothing but total surface area. Total surface area is nothing but here. What is total surface area? This is pi r plus pi r square. Pi r square plus pi r l. Pi r square plus pi r. So here S is constant and L is don't know. And L you have to convert into the form of the S. So S is a constant. As S is given, it is constant. So therefore, S minus pi r square by pi r is equals to L. Pi r square को इधर लेके आया. S by pi r square by pi r is equals to L. L you got it. So now what to do here? After getting L, value you have to find it. Value of the cone is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. And that h should be converted in terms of L and R. H should be converted in terms of L and R. So value of the cone is equals to V is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Actually, what is h here? Under root of L square minus r square. देखो again under root आया. We have to differentiate this with respect to r. So इधर r है, इधर r है. ये L value ये completely इधर substitute करना है. Once you imagine that, if you are taking like this, UV method apply करके differentiate कर दे तो very lengthy differentiation you are going to get. Very lengthy differentiation. So to simplify the one, let us take this square term. And that square you consider as some other variable z, like the previous one problem I told you. This method you can do it. With this you are going to get easiest way. 1 by 9 pi square r power 4. L square minus r square. Now L is replaced with this. So what do you get? 1 by 9 pi square r power 4. L का place में s minus pi r square by pi r whole square minus r square. But under root you are not going to have. ये simplify करना है थोड़ा lengthy है, but the remaining all are easy. So s square minus pi square r power 4. A minus b plus a minus b whole square expansion and value minus 2s pi r square by pi square r square minus r square. LCM. So what do you get here? 1 by 9 pi square r power 4 s square plus pi square r power 4 minus 2s pi square minus pi square r power 4 by pi square r square. देखो ये pi square r square ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. Here pi square cancel, r square को square आ जाएगा. So what you get here? 1 by 9 r square s square minus 2s pi r square. S square minus 2s pi r square. Still from this you can take the s common. Otherwise you can keep it. We have to differentiate with respect to r now. We have to differentiate with respect to r. S को कॉमन ले लो, R स्क्वायर को अंदर ले लो, और अदरवाइज R स्क्वायर अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करो 1/9. Yes, I am taking common here. So S R square I am going to get, and 2 pi R power 4. Now you do the differentiating this with respect to S R. थोड़ा इजी है ना इसको डिफरेंशिएट करना. ये सिंप्लीफिकेशन मुझे लगता है लेंथी नहीं. I think it is very easy. So now you have to consider that take Z is equals to B square, which is equals to 1/9 S R square minus 2 pi R power 4. Differentiating Z with respect to R. Once not twice करना. Now they got differentiating this one. dz by dr is equals to dz by dr. So what do you get? dz by dr is equals to 1/9 S. इसको डिफरेंशिएट करना है. So what do you get? 2s r minus 2 pi as it is 4r cube here, which is equals to 1/9 S 2sr minus 8 pi r. Second time derivation also it is very easy. Differentiating this with respect to r again. d square z by dr square is also 1/9 S 2s minus 8 3s are 24 pi r square. 8 3s are 24 pi r square. Isn't it? This is dz by d square z by dr square. Now what to do? Maximum value. For the maximum value, dz by dr is equals to 0. So dz by dr is equal to 1/9 S 2sr minus 8 pi r cube is equals to 0. Here S is constant. S is constant. So what do you get here? 2sr is equals to 8 pi r cube. 2sr is equals to 8 pi r cube. Isn't it? So S is equals to what you get here? 8 pi r cube by 2r square आ जाएगा. S is equals to 4 pi r square. Surface area we got 4 pi r square. Okay. So but here the question is not asking you to find out the surface. Yet this place this value S का place में 4 pi r square substitute करो. At d square z by d r square what do you get? You are going to get here substitute करो. What do you get? Tell me. Less than 0 you will get now. Will you get less than 0 here? 8 pi r square minus 24 pi r square. So d square z by d r square at S is equals to 4 pi r square. Or you can write here like this also. Bracket में S is equals to 4 pi r square. This is equals to 1/9 S 2 into S value is 4 pi r square minus 24 pi r square. So which is equals to 1/9 is 8 pi r square minus 24 pi r square, which is less than 0. Therefore, by second derivative test, at S is equals to 4 pi r square. At S is equals to 4 pi. But here, do remember that S is not asking to you to find out. Angle is asking to you to find out. But with this, you can find out the angle. Wait for a while. Value is maximum. So question can be framed in another way. Prove that surface area S is nothing but surface area of the cone with the maximum value is equals to 4 pi r square. Like that question also can be framed. So now S is equals to 4 pi r square is given to you. So but 4 pi r square is there. Originally S is equals to क्या है? What is S here? Yes, here pi r square plus pi r. दोनों को equal कर. Is it visible here? invisible. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
S is equals to 4 pi r square. So, but S value what here? Pi r L plus pi r square. This is equals to 4 pi r square. So from this what you are going to get? Pi r L is equals to 3 pi r square. So pi r r. So ratio you are going to get r by L is equals to 3 by 1. R by L. What is R by L? R by L. Theta का opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse क्या है? Sin theta. We got R by L is equals to 3 by 1. So sin theta is equals to 3 by 1. Wait. R by, sorry, 1 by 3 आएगा ना? R by L is 1 by 3. R is 1 by 3. Yes. L is here. R by L is here. L is this side. So 1 by 3 R square. So sin theta equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, theta is equals to sin inverse of 1 by 3. So same question can be asked in another way also. Same question can be asked in another way. How? ये 1 है, ये 3 है. हाइट कितना होगा? हाइट कितना होगा? What is the height? अरे apply the Pythagoras theorem. 3 square minus 1 square. Root 8 होगा. Root 8. The question can be asked with the same question in another way. Instead of sine inverse, if they want cos inverse, semi-vertical angle. Semi-vertical angle, cos inverse is equal.
Board is not visible. I mean, nothing is visible.
What?
Nothing is visible.
Blur हो गया?
No, sir.
Blur हो गया? Blur नहीं हो, side में गया है. See here, okay, up to here it is visible now. So question can be asked to you, here I am writing. Instead of sin inverse of 1 by 3, sin inverse of 1 by 3, cos theta क्या होगा इधर? Adjacent side में hypotenuse, root 8 by root 3. So the semi-vertical angle, prove the semi-vertical angle cos inverse of root 8 by root 3 is also the same question. Same question. Instead of sin inverse of 1 by 3, if the question is given that cos inverse of root 8 by root 3, all the students will do that. Do new question. Mostly will think that new question basis. Not new question. Here, the tan inverse also can be given. Tan inverse क्या होगा? 1 by root 8 होगा. Tan inverse 1 by root 8. Same यही question. Given slant, here given surface area. In the previous question, given slant height. Here given surface area. So questions will be can be changed. The result you take into consider mainly. Okay, समझ में आया? So like this, some questions I think will be there in your miscellaneous exercise also that you try. Okay, so thank you, and you can leave.
Okay, sir.
थोड़ा practice you have to practice this one more. Otherwise, you cannot. Practice ज़्यादा करना है. Same problems you do it today itself. Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.